I want you to imagine that you're in the car on the way to an anniversary party of a couple who are good friends of yours. They said don't bring gifts, but you want to do something. As long as you're a passenger in the car, watch what you could do right on your phone. I just go into Google Photos. I tap the plus and choose Highlight Video. Then I find my friends. I have to tap on the little person head down here. And there are our married friends and add. I could also specify some dates, but I don't want to. I just want all of the pictures we have of them, and I tap Preview. And that is all I have to do. It has created a movie, added music. Notice the pan and zoom. I can save that, and then it tells me it will take a minute. And I have seen this process take anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 days. But I expect that this is going to come up real quick. That didn't take much time at all. And there's my video. And I can now tap the share button, create link, and link copied. Now I can go send an email to our friends, and they will be able to watch this video before we even arrive at the party. What an entrance.